Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I want to talk about Tesla and the trade plan for this week. So overall, Tesla is setting up very nicely for this week, and this is going to be the play of the week or even the play of the month, because August just started right around over here, and it's actually 1:16 or 1:26 a.m. right now. So I'm just going to be explaining it very nicely and trying to keep it simple as possible. So as simple as possible. So one thing, okay, the main catalyst for Tesla is the AI day on August 19th. And this is a pretty big catalyst for Tesla, because we haven't gotten a bigger catalyst for Tesla in a while now, after the battery day. So this is going to be huge on August 19th. So we actually want to play the run up. So we have the actual event right around over here. So let's look at our vertical line. So we have the event right over here on August 19th, and we basically want to play the run up. So buy the hype and then sell the news on August 19th. Now, what's the actual setup? Well, if we actually look right around over here, we have this very nice ascending triangle. As you can see, we had a ascending triangle before this breakout of the downtrend. Another thing to keep in mind is that we are very low on Tesla. We are actually down right around 23% from all-time highs. So we have this downtrend breakout, we have this ascending triangle right around over here, and then we have this very nice gap. I am loving this gap right around over here. Okay, so right around over here we have this very nice gap, and again, what I always do is I set alerts. So right around over here you want to set a alert, and I can set an alert right over here. You guys do need the premium for TradingView. If you guys want to set up multiple alerts, I will leave the description for my referral down below. But again, set a alert, notify an app, send a email, and so then you will actually get reminded when it actually breaks out. Now, price target for tomorrow or the next 2 days, what I'm looking at is this wick right over here. So we have this nice wick right over here. I'm looking at to buy calls right around open, and then 700 is the price target, and then 719 is the gap entry. So I think we can hit 730 before August 19th. Okay, so before the actual Tesla AI day. But not only that, okay, we zoom out a little bit. Let's delete these lines. I have my Elliott waves drawn out. Okay, so right around over here, right from the COVID crash, we have the ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have the September correction, and then we have the ABCD, and this was actually the time. Okay, this is the breakaway gap from Tesla joining S&P 500, and then we had a huge run up, and then we had a huge ABC correction on Tesla, a massive one. And right over here, as you guys can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and overall it's forming a huge cup and handle right around over here. So this is a very nice setup. And again, AI day is going to be huge. The run-ups on Tesla are crazy, so this is going to be a huge setup for Tesla, and that is why I'm loving it. There are a ton of confirmations, so let's just look at the volume right now. I like to watch the volume right around over here. Now if we actually look at the daily, we have some nice volume. How do we check if it's nice volume? We click the settings icon, and I like to add the volume MA, and let's color this yellow. And as you can see, above average volume, that is very nice. So the breakout right over here, we had nice volume going in at the breakout. So overall, I'm looking at calls right around open, price target 700, and then basically we're kind of having this support where we're going to be stabilizing on for Tesla. So overall, very simple play. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, all charted out from this March crash. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.